Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just going to be a quick little tutorial on this look right here. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you are new. Hi, I'm Avery. I like to do makeup, vlogs, like everything. It's not just makeup here. But if you'd like to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Good morning, guys. Well, it's not actually the morning time. It's more like 12:30. Gonna be 1 pretty soon. It's morning time for me. I love my sleep. I was having some technical difficulties and I already did this eye, but that's okay because that's just one of the only things that I did right now. Eyebrows have already been done, lids have been primed, and I went ahead and moisturized my face with the Ulla Henriksen Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream. It's pretty bomb, honestly. It smells really citrusy, and so far I love it. The only downside that I found so far is it clears up the rest of my face, all of this area right here, but it makes my chin break out. Let me know if you have that issue. I don't like it, but I love it for the rest of my face. Anyways, I went ahead and dipped into Raw Sienna from the Modern Renaissance palette, and I just put that all over the lid. And I'm just gonna start blending that a little more. It's not as blended as I wanted it to be. I wanted to do a really smoky brown eye today. Maybe throw a wing on it. And I'm doing this with a really fluffy Wet n Wild brush. Alright, now that I have Raw Sienna blended out all over the eyelid, I'm going to dip into Fudge by the Subculture palette, and I'm going to go in there with a Morphe M506 brush. I'm going to focus it more on the crease and just blend that out. I am going to pack it all over the lid, but I want to make sure that I get it blended out first. Okay, now that I have that blended in the crease, I'm going to go ahead and pack some more onto the end of this fluffy brush here, and I'm going to make sure to pack that all over the rest of the eyelid. Okay, so I went ahead and finished packing Fudge all over the rest of the eyelid, and I actually noticed something that I thought was weird, and this happens a lot with my Subculture palette. So Fudge is the only, Fudge and Raw Sienna are the only colors that I have on my eyelid right now. You can see that lighter brown on the outer corner of my eye, but then on the inside, the crease looks like a darker brown than what's spread out on the rest of the lid, but I swear that's still the same color. I don't know if it's because I like focused it a lot more on the inside, but yeah, it's really weird. That's gonna be all for the eye. I'm just gonna pop on some CoverGirl mascara. It's the Physicians Formula. I'm not gonna put too much because I am gonna put some false lashes on after this. And just to save everybody 20 years, I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some false lashes and do my wing liner off camera. I'll be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and plopped on my lashes, just waiting for those to finish drying up. I added my wing, and I'm gonna work on the rest of my face. So with my Beauty Blender, I'm gonna go in with my MAC Studio Fix Liquid Foundation. I am NC25. This is the first time that I've been using MAC all over my face as a foundation, and I gotta say, I don't know why I didn't switch to this a lot sooner. Maybe it's because it's really expensive. It's fucking bougie. I like it. It feels great on my face. It doesn't dry out. It doesn't make it too oily. It's perfect. Next, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape to conceal the under eyes, because your girl's got fucking bags. I've not been getting the best sleep lately, between nightmares and my dog just being an asshole. Let me tell you what happened last night. So, there's this really, really beautiful mirror that I got from Target, and it was on sale for $50. So I copped that shit because it was normally $100. I had it for a week, and my dog last night thought it would be cool to go and kind of push up against it. I don't know if it was because he seen his reflection and was like, oh, who the fuck is that? What's up? You know? And so anyways, he pushed up against the mirror, and it wasn't like nailed to the wall or anything. I just had it leaned up against the wall, and it fell over and it cracked. I was so upset. I was just up all night thinking about how I've been wanting this mirror forever, and I finally bought it only for it to last a week. But that's life, and that's okay. Hopefully it's still at Target the next time I get paid and I can just buy another one. Ooh! Who is that? Look at how cute I look. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my loose face setting powder just to set the under eye so I don't crease. I bought this, I'm going to say it's been about a month now that I've been using it. And it's the best thing. I know everyone else has been using it, the Airspun Loose Face Setting Powder. I don't know why I just recently got into it. I should have started this a long time ago. It's magic in a little container. Normally, I would put mascara on my bottom lashes, and within an hour, just because my bottom lashes are pretty long, it would smudge, and I would just have this dark, smudgy look all underneath my eyes. It didn't look cute. It looked like I fell asleep or something, and it just didn't look right. So I just picked some of this up, started using it. I've never gone back. It's great. And it's only $9. Bargain shopper. Alright, now while I've got that craziness there, I'm going to start contouring my face. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild contour palette in Caramel Toffee. I'm just going to use this to bronze up my cheeks. And I'm also using the Morphe R7 brush. All the Morphe brushes that I have are from the Bretman Rock collection. Well, his favorite brushes. I'm so happy that I got them. They are my everyday use brushes. They're amazing. If they still have it on the Morphe website, I highly suggest that everyone go get it. I use them every day. They're great. And I have a really hard time figuring out which brushes to buy. I don't want to get something that I'm not going to use all the time and just feel like I wasted my money, you know? But I was not disappointed with these. Now that I got my face nice and bronzed up, I'm going to just wipe away this excess powder, and then I'm going to work on the lower lash line. I'm going to dip back into my Subculture palette, and I'm going to use All Star on a flat brush. I'm just going to sweep that all underneath the lower lash line. For a little inner corner highlight, I'm going to dip into the Glow Kit, and I'm going to use Summer and just put that right on the inner corner. To apply this, I'm using the brush that comes inside of the Subculture palette, but I'm using that smaller side of it. And just packing it on in. Now I'm just going to apply some mascara to the lower lash line. I'm doing so much better at not making like any stupid faces when I apply mascara anymore. Every time I would apply mascara, I'd be like, ah! And then one day I was like, girl, just relax. It's not a whole job. Just relax your face. Okay. I'm just gonna apply some highlight to my cheekbone here. I'm going back into that Glow Kit, and I went ahead and grabbed bronze. For lips today, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Pro Liquid Lipstick in Plum Bum. I actually don't know if I want to use this. I had it on yesterday and I swatched it, and it was really hard to take off. Fuck it, I ain't a bitch. I guess one thing I can say about this is it's not gonna fucking come off. And it is a really nice color. Send me like orange juice or something. Mango juice? I don't know. How you gonna send me something and not tell me what it is? This is the finished look. I hope you love it. I love it. I didn't think it was gonna come out this good, honestly. But thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and stay tuned for my next videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!